Good morning, everybody. This is Brad over here at Chattanooga Fishing Fun. Just want to start out saying thank you. We're almost at that 300 subscriber mark. If you're not already, go ahead and hit the sub button, help me reach that goal. But today I'm going to be doing a video. Well, it's more like a series of videos that I'm going to be doing. Today's is going to be on what can I fit in my 3500 series 8-foot bed truck. So I'm going to be doing videos on what'll fit a 1/2 ton, 3/4 ton, 1 ton truck, short bed, long bed, and what truck camper will fit what. But today's is going to be on the 3500 8-foot bed. All right, we're going to start out with the Lance 850. This is your no slide option. And believe it or not, this camper right here is the only camper that you can actually put in a 6-foot bed or an 8-foot bed. So this one would work for either or, 3500 series short or long bed. As you can see here, this one's got the swing out brackets added to it, so you can actually put this one in a dually also, not just a single wheel. So you can back that fat butt under there. Get a little side angle. It's about 17 degrees over here, so it's a little chilly out here. Alright, let's open it up, see what the inside looks like. Alright, to the right you've got your dinette. Makes into a bed, allowing you to sleep another person. The bed, of course, is over the overhang, the cab of the truck. TV over there in the corner. It does swing out so you can see it from the dinette. Kitchen. And bathroom. This one's got a wet bath. It's the one piece. You still have plenty of room in this camper. Camper queen mattress, sleeps 2. Everything you need is inside this camper. One of my favorites, the 975. I like this one for the layout and the amount of storage that's in this one. This one's also got the swing outs. Either of these you can put in dualies. You don't have to have a dually for it. Lance 1172 is the only one that actually requires a dually. It's freezing out here. We've got these campers packed tight. We've got a ton of them, starting all the way down there, ending all the way to the left over here, and we have even more around back. This is really neat, this storage that you have by the door. Well, as you can see there, plenty of storage. You can put racks in there, shelves, anything you want. You've got this awesome drawer here. Makes for a ton of storage space. Look at all that. It's insane. Inside the camper, you'll see over to the right, you've got your kitchen. I really like this kitchen setup right here. Then you've got your dinette to the left. This also makes into a bed. fridge, camper queen mattress, closet to the right, storage on either side of the bed, and more storage right here to the left. This one has a dry bath, which I really like. Not taking a shower with the commode. Really nice bathroom. But yeah, this one's one of my favorite models right here. It does require a big truck, but you know, look at how much room you gain. Then this one, unlike the others, has two power awnings. One on the side here, nice LED light strip at the end, and then this power awning on the rear. Usually they'll have a manual. This one's got two powers. Auto wind sensing is added to these, so if it gets too windy outside, you avoid a campground disaster. Two camper models that I'm sold out of at the moment that you can fit in a 8-foot bed 3500 series truck would be your 995 and 1062. 995 is going to be similar to the 975 but totally backwards. Here, I'll show you an interior view. Alright, so your kitchen that's right here on the 975 to the right is going to be over to the left on a 995 in front of the bathroom. And your bathroom is going to be a wet bath located right here. Your dinette is located over here to the right. So I kind of prefer the 975 to the 995 solely because this one has a dry bath and you still get this passenger side awning. So, I don't know, it's just food for thought. I've got 3 located on this side of the lot, and then I've got more around back. But the Lance 1172 is going to be your largest camper, also your heaviest. You gain the side entry with this camper, rear slide, and driver's side slide. This one right here is a lot of camper. Looking at the inside, you'll notice this couch in the back folds into a bed, has a ton of storage underneath, as you can see there. Then if you pull it all the way out, you've just made yourself a bed. Dinette also folds into a bed. And then you've got the bunk bed above the dinette area. Also makes for a great amount of storage. Camper queen mattress up top. Closet. Storage on either side. More storage. Good size refrigerator. And also a dry bath. But as you can see, this camper does have a lot of room in it, and it's one of our most popular camper models. This one and the smallest one, the 650. It's crazy. Also, you've got little kickouts. Prop your feet up. Comes in handy on a lazy day. Alright guys, that's all the campers that you can put in a 3500 series long bed truck. Only one requires a dually. That'd be your 1172. But if you're looking for a truck camper and that's the type of truck you have, 850, 975, 995, 1062, and 1172 is the options you have to go with. Total of 5 options. That's more options than any other truck. So if you're in the market, that's the truck you got quite a few to pick from. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, found it helpful. If you did, go ahead and leave a thumbs up for me. That lets YouTube know that I might know what I'm talking about. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that sub button. Help me reach that goal of 300. Thank you guys. Have a good day.